Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to film the week of the 20th to the 26th of January 2020. This week was the Chinese New Year week celebration. I believe the Chinese New Year was on the 23rd of January this year. So we are going to use that as a theme for our spread. So I have here the adorable kit from the Coffee Monsterz Co. It's the year of the red and it's the year of the intelligent and wise. So you have your 8 full boxes, you have your headers, quarter boxes, half boxes, weekend banner and some deco. You have the washi strips, checklists, more headers and some flags. I'll be pulling several shops with a gold foil, as well as using these two simply gilded washi tapes. So this is the bow with 5mm bow with a reversed foil, and this is the perforated 5mm on red, festive red. And of course I will also be using a lot of emojis. This is half of my entire collection, so that's what I'm gonna be pulling from. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. So as usual, I start on my sidebar. I got this kit has the washi strips, so I used the longest washi strip, both of them, to block out my weekly or sidebar, and I complemented it with a simply gilded washi. So I trimmed down the washi strips on top, and I used the gold foiled, reversed gold foil washi from Simply Gilded to complement the spread. I think gold was a very good choice because that's the entire feel of the theme. I did white out a smudge of the lines on this insert. This insert is by Sammie Printables, by the way, and because it was just a tiny bit that would show with the Simply Gilded washi, because it's a reverse foil, so it's really you can't see through. So that's why I white out just a smudge on that sidebar. Then I move on to put down my full boxes. I always start with my weekend if I have a double box, which in this kit I did have. I put down my full boxes for the entirety of the week, and I then complement it with the perforated 5mm washi on the festive red. Of course, I had to use the cat on the Monday because it's such an adorable full box. And then I just worked my way with full boxes and the headers, just to make sure that I have my base laid down, and I do that throughout the entirety of the week. On this spread in particular, I had nine full boxes. It's what usually kits come with. I did not use the pink full box with the emoji holding the rice bowl, because I just didn't feel that the pink was what I was going for on this spread. I just wanted yellow, reds, blues, so gold and reds and the blue to complement the theme. So I didn't think that the pink was fit, but specifically for this spread, because that is the most adorable full box ever. And I'm sure I'll find some place to use that full box. Absolutely will. I love that yellow box that I put on Thursday. I think it's so beautiful, so beautiful. I really like that, and I really wanted to use it instead of the pink one. Anyway, moving on to Monday. I start by putting down a quarter box with an emoji, a coffee emoji, to mark down Coffee Monday, and then I will alternate my work icons using the desk emoji by the Coffee Monsterz Co. and the flags that come with the kit, and some gold foiled computer icons by Arctic Paper Studio, which is an Australian shop. So I alternate those two icons because I think it gives a little break on the spread, and it makes it, I don't know, I like it. I find it more pleasing that way. So I do my work stickering for the whole week before I start on other icons. And this time I try to kind of match or mix match the flags with the colors of the full boxes. Anyway, Monday, the first icon is an emoji with shopping bags. I went to a thrift store with a work friend, a co-worker, and I did some shopping. Then I used a decorative scalloped corner box from the Giving Girl that this friend of mine tricked me and bought me flowers for my birthday. That was the week past last week. Then I used the heart emoji from the kit to mark down that I wanted to work on my resume. I had a job application that I wanted to do on that week, and I wanted to work on my resume. Moving on to Tuesday, I do my work icon, and then I put down a half box to remind myself that I needed to continue to work on my resume that day. And below it I put down a Instagram icon from the Coffee Monsterz Co to remind myself that I wanted to post a half week picture on Instagram. Then a quarter box from the kit with a gold foiled heart icon from Arctic Paper Studio to mark down that I needed to go to the post office for a distash that I needed to post. And then the grocery emoji to mark down some groceries. I wanted to do that later that night after work. Moving on to Wednesday, I put down a half box because I had two important things for work that day, which was a coffee and a lunch run for a big meeting we were having. And then a little quarter box with emoji with two cats and a scoop to mark down that I needed to clean the litters that night. Fun. Then another scalloped corner box by the Giving Girl and an emoji layered on it with the trash bag because it was midnight, and a heart from Arctic Paper Studio that I needed to do another PO run that day. Moving on to Thursday, my work laptop and a heart emoji because it was payday and I was happy. Then the half box with money happy emoji, not really happy, that I had to remind myself it was pay the credit card day. An emoji for my watering my plants, and a half box to mark down that I had shutters installed in my house, and I was really happy with that. The Friday was my day off, and I put down a flag from the kit and a Snorlax onesie emoji to mark down that it was sleep in. I wanted to sleep in on that day. I had a day off and it was gorgeous. I put down a header as well to mark down what other things I wanted to do on my day off. So I wanted to, I marked it with a half box and a checklist emoji that came with the kit. So that day I just wanted to catch up on my planners, organize my craft room, upload my previous plan with me, and all of that. I also used a flat lay from the Coffee Monsterz Co because after I got back home from brunch with my besties, I wanted to do more planning and relax in general. So that day I had brunch with Diana and Belle at Belle Plans, and I marked it down with an icon from the Coffee Monsterz Co. Moving on to Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday I had a very lazy day, so when I was doing this spread, I've made a mistake on replacement of my icons. I just yeah, it was silly. I forgot something that I've done. So anyway, the first icon that I pull is my lazy day. It's my header for today, and I pull a couch potato emoji to mark down that it was a lazy day for me on that Saturday, and I was really happy with it. Then I put down a flag to mark down that I wanted to do some grocery. I needed to do some grocery shopping online, and I used an emoji with the grocery holding the grocery bags. I also laid down a to-do header and used this 3 checklist box or half box from the kit for my house chores on that day. And then I used a header on the Sunday to mark down that with another checklist from the kit to mark down that I wanted to fill my plan with me, edit it, and upload it. I used a little gardener emoji to mark down that my gardener also came on Sunday to work on my backyard, and a flat lay of crafty icons by the Coffee Monsterz Co to remind myself that I wanted to have a me time. I did change the flag to the bottom of the spread of that day because I put an icon from the Giving Girl to mark down that I went to the post office to send some stationery goodies for my nieces. That's it, everyone. That's the base of the kit and the base of my memory planning. So you have Monday and the sidebar here, and it's absolutely beautiful. You have Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. So I'm just gonna write down everything here and I'll be back with you shortly. And that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I think this spread looks really, really cute and really simple, but still functionable and cute. And it's a great way to remember what I've done for this week. If you have any comments or any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to answer it. All the shops should be tagged down below as well. And I hope you enjoyed. Let me know any feedback that you have, and I will be trying to bring more content for you. Just write down in the comments what kind of content would you want, and we'll work on that. That being said, I just wanted to show you what is left of this kit. So you have one full box. This is just a Simply Gilded washi. This is one full box. Another some washi strips here, some checklists, most of the headers, and again most of the headers, quarter boxes, the weekend banner, and 2 little hearts. So that's all that's left from the kit, and this will look gorgeous on my daily spread in some time in the future. So that's it. I hope you have a great week or weekend or whatever it is that whichever day you're watching this,
and I'll see you on the next one. Love you, lottles. Bye.